gonna lie, this car pretty loud. Yeah, this car pretty loud. Racing. We live on YouTube right now. This one? That's me right there, yeah. There we go. Already, appreciate it. I got a sticker. Boom. Okay. Bro's deal. I don't know why the other side. I guess he felt like he couldn't win. Shout out to Sticky Pickle one time for the one time. Some of the best glue you can use while y'all running on the streets and stuff. It's that street glue. Maximum traction. Is he gonna make a full pass, y'all? Select the other lane if you don't think so. Select the right lane if you do think so. Full pass or no full pass? TikTok guessed it right. TikTok guessed it right. Yeah, that thing running. Yeah. They got a good 60 foot. I see a nice little smile block back there I ain't seen. Let's see something. We got Home Depot up here, y'all. Can 2 just came from TikTok. All my people on TikTok, y'all come check out my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. We about to get off of this one. I'm supposed to race Home Depot. Sewage Fruit just came from TikTok. Scott just came from TikTok.
They want to do something blackjack or what?
I don't know. Man, he got that juice on. I ain't never seen him juicy really. I've been wondering if he can hold it. I wonder if he can hold that juice like that. He looks like he's ready. He don't look scary. Okay. Yeah.
He drove that thing.
Yeah, he did. He did.
My homeboy drove that thing.
Yeah, he did. Yeah.
Drove that thing.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, he drove. Hey y'all, I was wondering if Billy the Kid from YouTube be watching my YouTube channel, him and his daddy. Have you ever been on here, Rapid Transit? SRC, the street racing channel. I need to go get some ice, y'all. Look out, hey.